Today, we are going to learn how to make a Pinterest account. Step 1. Type in Pinterest into the search bar. There it is. Okay, step number 2. Enter your information.
Hit pause and start again. They're in here.
Okay. Hello. Today, we are going to learn how to make a Pinterest account. Step 1. Search Pinterest. There it is. Now you are going to enter your information into the boxes. Firstly, you will need to enter your email. Then you can make up a password. Also, you can put in your age. Click Continue. Enter a longer password. Enter an even longer password. Now you have made an account. You can start describing yourself. Enter your gender. Enter your language and your country. You can choose 5 or more interests for suggested ideas. Your account is complete.